Hi everyone, I'm Joe Szczesniak, and today I'd like to talk to you about the advancements that have been occurring in ChatGPT recently in regards to data analysis. So for this demonstration, I'd like to cover summarizing data, descriptive statistics, trend analysis, comparative analysis, and predictive insights using a dataset of luxury car sales from 2023. So let's go. So in ChatGPT, we'll put the prompt to provide a data table for luxury cars from different continents for the year 2023. The table should include the following columns: manufacturer, model, continent, price in dollars, engine type, horsepower, fuel efficiency, and monthly sales for each month of the year for 2023. So we'll hit enter, and then we should get our data table. So here we go. It's just setting it up. And we see the different sales values for the different months of the year for each of these manufacturers, like the certain model for the dataset and the continent which they're present, the price in dollars, engine type, horsepower, and fuel efficiency, just like we asked for. So next we want to get some descriptive statistics on this information. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, could you please provide descriptive statistics for the information, e.g. mean, median, mode, range, etc. And we'll hit enter again. Now we should get some more information about their dataset, which we didn't have before. We see that it's collecting the information into a data frame and looking up the descriptive statistics for us. And then here is the output. So we see like the count is 11, and the average price is around 125,000 US dollars. And we can either see the information in the table, they even give us their information for an interquartile range, it looks like there. So we see for all of the different items from the data, like fuel efficiency, monthly sales, what the descriptive statistics are. Next, I want to look at the trend analysis. So we want to type into ChatGPT, like, let's analyze some trends, please. Could you identify any sales trends over the months of 2023? So then we are the ChatGPT is analysing the information for the sales trends. And we see the output here is looking at total monthly sales of luxury cars in 2023. And this is the total sales by month, with 0 being equal to January and 11 equal to December. And then we can look at the percentage change in sales of luxury cars, but bearing in mind that we have a very limited fictional data set for only these luxury cars above. So now we can see the total monthly sales in each quarter, like the fluctuations in sales, like notable fluctuations throughout the year, with peaks in March, May, September, October and December, like when the largest, most significant sales increase occurred, which was in March, and which month experienced the largest drop in sales. Then you can go and see the seasonal trends, like seasonal sales trends tend to peak towards the end of the year, with October, November and December showing high sales relative to the rest of the year. And as you can see, like for the first one, for example, we have 1200, 1100, 1300, 1250 for sales, and then at the end of the year we can see that there's a increase in the value up to 1550. But next, I'd like to show you using ChatGPT for comparative analytics. So we want to ask ChatGPT, can you please compare the sales performance of luxury cars from the continents above, in the luxury car data table. And ChatGPT starts analysing again. Now we should gain some insight into the different continents. So now we see our total sales by continent: 24,900 in Asia, 51,165 in Europe, and 36,900 in North America. And also the time series analysis over the months for each of these continents in Asia, Europe and North America. So we see like total sales peaked in December with 3,100 units, steady sales trends with minor fluctuations generally increasing towards the end of the year for Asia. But it follows a similar pattern for all, although Asia is on the lower end of the scale compared to North America and to Europe. So we see, like, the observation is Europe's dominance. As we just saw, Europe was on the top line. So it has the highest sales out of all the continents, higher than Asia and North America. And it says about how this could be due to a high number of luxury car manufacturers based in Europe, such as BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Jaguar, Maserati and Rolls-Royce. Steady growth in Asia. Asia shows steady growth with minimum fluctuations, indicating a stable luxury market. Major brands include Lexus and Genesis, contributing to consistent sales. And then North America shows some fluctuations with a noticeable dip in mid-year sales, but recovering towards the end of the year. And we see the dip, but the recovery also. Next, I'd like to show you some predictive insights. So from the information we already have, like how do we expect the trend to develop in the future? So we need to ask ChatGPT, based on the current trends, can you predict the next 3 months of sales? And we're analysing again. ChatGPT's running some statistics model and exponential smoothing modules in order to oh, but we have an error, so it's reworking. Here it's fixing the error itself. So now we have our predictive sales for the next 3 months using linear regression. So based on the linear regression model, the predicted sales for the next 3 months are as follows. And we see that Asia's predicted to increase in sales from 3,050 in January to 3,163 in March. Europe is expected to maintain the highest sales figure among the continents with a steady increase from 6,407.5 in January to 6,696.5 in March, and North America is projected to follow a similar increasing trend, starting from 4,525 in January to 4,695 in March. So like we can see that these figures are making sense. Like Asia's still in the bottom tier of car sales, Europe is still got the highest number of car sales, and North America is still firmly in between. Okay, that's it for today. We've covered how to use ChatGPT for various types of data analysis on our luxury car sales dataset. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and follow for more tutorials, and I'll get working on a few more for us. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.